Hi there! If you're launching a Magento e-commerce shop or if your store is already live, there is one critical step you probably missed. Out of the box, Magento has a massive issue with duplicated content. Recently, a client came to us because Google AdSense and Google Search flagged their brand new store, killing their SEO rankings before they even started selling. Why? Because Magento opens up system pages, layers, and search URLs to search robots by default. You don't need a developer to fix this initial setup. You can do it yourself in exactly 1 minute. Go to your Magento Admin Panel, navigate to Stores, Configuration, then under General, click on Design and open the Search Engine Robots section. By default, the default robot settings might be too open or miss it at all. We need to instruct Google bots to ignore heavy system passes, checkout pages, and internal catalog searches. To save time and get the most up-to-date directives, you can use Google Gemini. I just prompt Gemini to generate an optimized Robots.txt for Magento 2 that targets duplicate content and AdSense compliance. Look how it instantly generates the exact rules we need: blocking search parameters, customer accounts, and checkout passes. Now I simply copy this AI-generated setup, paste it directly into the custom instructions field in Magento, switch Reset to Default to No, and hit Save. Done in seconds. Fixing your Robots.txt is just step 0. Out of the box, Magento is notorious for heavy database queries, slow page speeds, and cloud infrastructure waste. If you want to make sure your Magento store is fully optimized, fast and secure under heavy traffic, my team and I can run a deep architectural audit for you. Stop losing users and burning money. Book a consultation call with me using the link below, and let's make your e-commerce platform bulletproof. Talk soon.